Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. My name is Brian.
And I'm James. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today's title is English Speaking Practice 150 Real Life Conversations.
Yes, today we practiced real English, simple English, daily English.
This episode is perfect for beginners. If you are A1 or A2 level, this is for you.
We spoke slowly. We repeated many times, and you spoke with us.
You practiced greetings like hello and hi.
You practiced introductions like my name is and I am.
We talked about daily routine. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
We practiced shopping. How much is this? It is $5.
We practiced at a restaurant. Can I have a menu, please? I would like chicken and rice.
We practiced phone calls. Hello, this is James.
We asked for directions. Excuse me, where is the bank?
You practiced making plans. Are you free this weekend?
We talked about feelings. I am happy. I am tired.
And we talked about hobbies. I like music. I like reading. I like playing football.
That is a lot of practice. Good job. You are improving already.
Remember, English is about simple sentences and daily practice.
Speak every day. Even 5 minutes is good.
Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Now tell us in the comments, which conversation was your favorite?
Write one full sentence in English.
For example, I like the restaurant conversation.
Or, I practice English every day.
Thank you so much for listening.
Keep practicing. Keep speaking.
See you in the next episode.
Before you go, let's do one more quick speaking practice together.
Yes, a small revision. Listen and repeat.
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good.
Great. Very easy.
Now, introductions.
My name is James. I am a student.
My name is Brian. I am a teacher.
Your turn. Say, my name is...
And say, I am a...
Perfect. Keep going.
Daily routine now.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
I go to work at 9 a.m.
Very good. Speak clearly.
Shopping.
How much is this?
It is $10.
It is cheap.
It is expensive.
Excellent pronunciation.
Restaurant.
Can I have a menu, please?
I would like rice and chicken.
I would like water, please.
Very natural. Very good.
Phone call.
Hello, this is James.
Can I speak to Brian, please?
I'm sorry, she is not available.
Good job.
Directions.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
It is next to the supermarket.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Feelings.
I am happy.
I am tired.
I am hungry.
Hobbies.
I like music.
I like reading.
I like playing football.
Amazing work today.
If you repeat this episode many times, your English will improve fast.
Listen again tomorrow.
Speak again tomorrow.
Practice makes progress.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
See you very soon for more real-life English conversations.
Keep speaking English every day. Let's do a small role play together.
Yes, this time you are the speaker. We will help you.
Situation 1. You meet a new friend.
Start with hello.
Then say, my name is...
Then say, nice to meet you.
Very good. Now we answer.
Hello, my name is James.
Nice to meet you too.
Great practice.
Situation 2. You are at a supermarket.
Ask the question, how much is this?
Good. Now answer, it is $5.
Perfect.
Situation 3. You are at a restaurant.
Say, can I have a menu, please?
Very good. Now say, I would like rice and chicken.
Excellent pronunciation.
Situation 4. You call a friend.
Say, hello, this is...
Then ask, are you free today?
Wonderful.
Situation 5. You ask for directions.
Say, excuse me, where is the bank?
And answer, it is next to the school.
You are doing amazing.
Now let's practice confidence.
Say, I can speak English.
Repeat, I can speak English.
Louder.
I can speak English.
Yes, you can.
Remember, small steps every day.
One conversation every day.
One new sentence every day.
And little by little, you will speak fluently.
We are happy to practice with you.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in the next episode for more real-life English.
Keep smiling and keep speaking.
Wait, let's do one last quick challenge together.
Yes, a fast speaking challenge.
I will ask a question, you answer quickly.
Don't think too much, just speak.
Question 1. What is your name?
Answer. My name is.
Good. Question 2. Where are you from?
Answer. I am from.
Excellent. Question 3. Do you work or study?
Answer. I work or I study.
Very clear. Question 4. What do you eat for breakfast?
Answer. I eat.
Great job. Question 5. What do you like to do in your free time?
Answer. I like.
Amazing. You answered 5 questions in English.
That is real progress.
Now say 3 sentences about yourself.
For example, my name is Anna. I am a student. I like music.
Simple, clear, perfect.
If you practice like this every day, your English will grow.
Slow practice is good practice.
Clear practice is strong practice.
And confident practice is powerful practice.
Remember, you do not need difficult words.
You need simple words and daily repetition.
We are proud of you for staying until the end.
That shows motivation.
And motivation is important.
Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking.
Your English journey is just beginning.
And we are happy to be part of it.
See you in the next episode.
Take care and speak English today.
Before we really say goodbye, let's calm down and speak slowly one more time.
Yes, slow English, clear English.
Take a deep breath.
And repeat after us.
I am learning English.
I practice every day.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help me grow.
Very good. Again, I am learning English.
I practice every day.
I am becoming more confident.
Excellent work.
Now let's do a mini daily conversation one last time.
Hi, how are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine. What are you doing today?
I am going to work. What about you?
I am studying English.
That's great.
Listen again.
Hi, how are you?
I am tired today.
Oh no, why?
I worked all day.
I understand. Get some rest.
Simple conversations, real life English.
You can use these sentences today.
At work,
At school,
at the supermarket,
on the phone.
with friends.
English is everywhere.
And now, English is part of your life.
Keep this episode. Listen again tomorrow.
Repeat the sentences in the morning.
Repeat them at night.
The more you repeat, the stronger you become.
You are building a habit.
And habits create success.
We believe in your progress.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
Your time is important.
And using it to learn English is a great decision.
We will see you very soon with more real-life conversations.
Until then, speak English with confidence.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.